This is part 3 of my series of making every single chess piece in a standard chess set. This is part 3 and I am making the pawn. This is an aluminium pawn and it was quite simple, but the most tricky part is going to be making all of the other 7 pieces out of aluminium identical to this one. And then not only that, but make other ones out of brass that are completely identical to the other ones. So a total of 16 identical pieces. I'm just going ahead and surfacing the piece on the lathe. As you can see, it got a little bit tangled over there, but I'm just shaping it off with the file, with the rough cut piece, and some sandpaper. I've got a really long piece of aluminium, so I should be able to make all of the pawns with that. This wasn't too difficult at all. And after I finished sanding it down, after I finished rough shaping it with this, I took it over to the smaller lathe so that I could end up polishing it. But before I did that, I was just rough sanding it with the higher grits on this lathe, which wasn't too bad at all. So I've gotten up to around 3,000 grit sandpaper right now, and it is not too bad. It's not looking too bad at all. And I've gone up to 10,000 grit sandpaper, and then after I finish sanding it here, I will polish it. For some reason, I've noticed that even sanding it up to 10,000 won't give it a mirrored shine like it will on steel or for brass. I have to put it on the polishing wheel completely separately. And this is looking absolutely amazing. That is 1 out of the 8 pawns that I am going to be making.